day 1 here in Korea. And it's actually a holiday today. It's January 26th. I had a good sleep, took a shower, and now I'm not wearing a mask kasi karamihan naman wala silang mask. And we are off to find a place for us to eat. So we finally found a restaurant that's open.
Thank you for the money.
감사합니다. Hey, so we're back here at the market, but we are on the way to Myeongdong, which is like wag daw puntahan kasi half of which are Chinese population, but we have to go there because we have to exchange our money, and you know it's the best place to exchange our money to won. So this is our favorite turo-turo spot here at Gourdo station. So we're checking out Myeongdong, and it's a shopping district. It's a tourist district. You don't have to hold your face pala bawal. Sobrang mura. This jacket is like $14 lang. $15, so that's about 750 pesos. It's cheaper than Manila. And then top coats, $23. 950 pesos. Unique. So we're inside the land of the flavored almond. All the flavors are here. So there's milk tea, green tea. We have that in the Philippines. No. Then there's sweet taste. We have wasabi. Hi. Oh.
How about that one? What's that? Yogurt flavor.
We have that in the Philippines. We have that in the Philippines. Oh, they have family pack. And then the new ones, cookies and cream, tiramisu, and starlight pang-pang. Here, all the new flavors, merong free taste. And it's on sale. Not sure if it's cheaper. For sure it's cheaper than the ones in Manila, but I'm sure you'll enjoy. So we're paying up. Yes. Yum. So good. this is the third floor. So, ang laki niya talaga. And this is the Disney floor. I think third or fourth floor. I lost count. So nice. So we reached the 8th floor. Ayaw na namin. Uwi na kami. So we're paying for it. Bring your own bag. That was tiring. There were 11 floors pero hindi namin kaya. It was small but it was tall. The selection is not that great to be honest. I was looking for like crafting stuff but there's none. So now we're going back to Tony's house to spend dinner there. This place, hindi pa namin napunta. So this is like the underground shopping area of Myeongdong. I'm sure this is a tourist spot. So similar to Express Bus Terminal, but not sure of the price. Maybe it's cheaper there, maybe it's cheaper here, but definitely a tourist spot, so medyo mas mahal yan. The boss is enjoying.